Dear students, we shall do some more problems for NCERT CSE class 10 syllabus. So the first problem is prove that one plus cot theta minus cosec theta into one plus tan theta plus sec theta is equal to for LHS proof 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta. Can just open the bracket also. So we don't do that one. You can just open the bracket, simplify, get the answer. Okay. So we'll do this way. We'll use cos theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. In this one, sin theta is a common denominator. So let's make sin theta, this or sin theta way. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. Common denominator. You multiply like this, okay? In this case, you get cos theta. How denominator will come here? Sin theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta. Right? Now, next one is see sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Sin theta can make it like this. So it becomes, I don't require, suppose these two are same. Sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta. These are A, this B, this A, this B. A square minus B square. Sin theta plus cos theta, the whole square minus 1 square is 1 into denominator sin theta cos theta. Expand it. Expanding, you will get sin square theta cos square theta 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. You apply the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. What will you get is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 is equal to sin theta cos theta, right? So that is 2 sin theta cos theta. These problems are done based on the average students. Indian students directly can write the answer, okay? Cos theta is equal to 2 cuts, these 2 cuts. So RHS. Hence proof. Hence proved. So this is the one problem. Next problem, prove that cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. We'll do by two methods. Okay, first we'll take LHS and prove RHS, then RHS and prove LHS. Whichever is like, you follow it. Method 1. Proof. We'll get RHS will take. RHS is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Now multiply by conjugate. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. What we did? We multiply by conjugate, right? So what step you said, right? Multiplying by conjugate. Multiplying by conjugate of denominator. I put dr, okay? So it will get us 1 minus cos theta the whole square by 1 minus cos square theta. What is 1 square, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos square theta, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. This all, you know it. I not try to step. Cos theta, 1 minus cos theta all square by sin square theta. Now the power is common. Take the common outside. What will you get? Power is common outside. What will you get? You will get this cos 1 minus cos theta by sin theta the whole square. Write this into different parts. 1 by sin theta, split it, 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta the whole square. This is equal to cosine square theta, cosine theta minus cot theta the whole square is R LHS. We start with LHS and we started RHS, we reach LHS, hence proof. Now second method is we take RHS, okay? We take RHS. What is RHS being? RHS is nothing but cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square. Cosec theta, whichever is easier for you, follow it. M2. What is RHS? LHS is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square. So what we will do is 1 by sin theta by cos theta by sin theta. This is much more easier, I suppose. The whole square. And why did that method? No, you must know different methods. That's all. Is equal to 1 minus cos theta, common denominator is common, by sin theta the whole square. So again 1 minus cos theta the whole square by sin square theta. So 1 minus cos theta the whole square. What is cos sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta. Right? Because sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now what will you get? You'll get it as 1 minus cos theta the whole square divided by a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? All of you know a minus b into a plus b, right? 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now this get cancelled. So you have 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Both are right. You got the RHS is RHS. Hence proved. Okay. This is the proof. Whichever method you like, follow, but try to do all methods. Because when you go plus 2 integrations, something kind of things comes now, you want to get RHS and LHS. One part will come. So you should know both RHS and LHS. So see, prove that 1 tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. So 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. Why you should do all this practice is that it will be immensely helpful when you do integration. Trigonometric function comes. It's going to be directly integrated, but this can be integrated. So this kind of proof will be very useful to further classes. So don't neglect it. So you have to say LHS. LHS, we will start LHS. Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta. In this case, you do one method. What is one method now? You put and do it. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. This method you do it. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. This also can be done. Both are equally involved. Right? So I'll put it as what is cot theta? I'll put it as cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. I'll put and do it. Can do other methods also. So both you should know AQ minus BQ is equal to, this formula what you should know, AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. This is what knowledge you require. This is knowledge you require for this doing any method. Okay, this method also, this problem come, any method this will come. So what we'll do is tan theta divided by 1 minus 1 by tan theta. Here 1 by tan theta, okay, into cot theta 1 by tan theta, 1 minus tan theta. The first step, okay. I follow the bracket here. So what will we get this one? It will be tan theta minus tan theta minus 1 by tan theta is equal to, don't open the bracket, never simplify denominator as such, as a rule, 1 minus tan theta. Okay, now this tan theta goes up, tan theta will go up. So tan square theta divided by tan theta minus 1. You receive 1 by tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. Now what will be done? Here from minus sign will take it outside and make the denominator common. So I'll write this term first. First 1 by tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. Or anyway you can take 1 plus, this also you can take minus tan square theta, right? Understood it? What I did here? 1 minus tan theta. Not this step. Not this step, how I did it. Okay, not this one. I took outside minus sign here. So tan theta minus 1 again, 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus sign came here. So both are same only. If you have doubt, you can ask me. So what is common here? Here common is 1 minus tan theta, right? 1 minus tan theta is common from both. Bracket, under the bracket you have 1 by tan theta minus tan square theta. Now what we will do, we will simplify it. This step, not this step, not this step, not this step. Be careful to understand this step, okay? This, so 1 minus tan theta into, this will go up here. So we'll have 1 minus tan cube theta divided by tan theta. Let the denominator be like that it's only. What is AQ minus BQ, already that told formula is equal to 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta plus tan square theta, right? Divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan theta. How it came about? It came 1 minus a cube is equal to 1 minus a into 1 cube minus, this is 1 cube minus a cube, 1 plus a square, right? So this to get cancelled. So what you have then? You have 1 plus tan theta plus tan square theta upon tan theta, split a separate term, 1 by tan theta plus tan theta by tan theta plus tan cube theta by tan theta, tan square theta by tan theta. Both methods sign will be same complexity. So 1 by sin theta, 1 by tan theta, cot theta. 1 plus tan theta. So what is the answer should be? Answer is given us. What was the answer? We something like this only. 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. Okay, tan theta plus cot theta. RHS. It is RHS. RHS can, from RHS you can go to LHS with no problem. Okay. Is the hence proved. Okay. You can take RHS and go to LHS. It is more involved there. That's all. This fourth problem, I suppose, I don't remember numbering. Sin theta divided by sec theta plus tan theta minus 1. And this is cosec theta plus cot theta minus 1. There are many methods of doing it. So it's better to use sin theta by cos theta because it becomes a particular form and get cancelled. That's okay. So LHS is equal to proof. LHS is equal to sin theta by. I think this method is better. You can use 1 by tan theta also, you can use and multiply it. Because reciprocal is coming everywhere. So only get 1 by cos theta, right? Plus sin theta by cos theta, right? Minus 1. Okay. Next one is cos theta by 1 by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. Minus 1. Make the denominators LCM. Take the denominator LCM. Okay. You get sin theta by 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta divided by cos theta, right? Plus cos theta 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta divided by sin theta. Hope you got it. So make denominator common everywhere. That's all we did. Now this cos theta goes up. Cos theta goes up. So sin theta cos theta. Okay. Sin theta into cos theta divided by, I write sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. Here sin theta goes up, sin theta cos theta by, right, what will you get? 1 plus 1 minus, okay, minus and take here. Cos theta minus sin theta minus and sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. Here what is it? Here this step is so sin, here also you can write sin theta cos theta by 1 plus sin theta minus cos. Here plus sign, no problem. Minus sign should put a bracket, that's on safer side. Sin theta cos theta by 1 minus sin theta minus cos theta. This is now cross multiply or take LCM, whatever term you use the term whatever you like. So thing is same only. So sin theta cos theta into 1 minus sin theta, and you have to open the bracket cos theta plus sin theta cos theta into, how much is 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta, right? By, don't open, take common, never open bracket. 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta minus cos theta is a plus b, a minus b form. So you can take out the sin theta cos theta outside. A plus b into a minus b, right? This is b, I mean b, just look at 6. Sin theta cos theta What will you get? 1 minus sine theta cos theta plus 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta, right? This cos theta, okay, this cos theta divided by 1 square minus sine theta minus cos theta the whole square, a square minus b square form it is. So this sine theta get cancelled, cos theta get cancelled, 1 plus 1, 2. You have is 2 sine theta cos, right? 1 plus 1 is 2 sine theta cos theta upon 1 minus, open the bracket, sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta, which is 2 sine theta cos theta divided by 1 minus 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. How 1 came? 1 came because sine square theta cos square theta is equal to 1, right? So cut it. So you have 2 sine theta cos theta by 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 1. Your RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Thank you. Next video we'll see a few more problems.